What is going on, everybody? Today we are taking a look at the Utilitac by Ontario Knife and Joe Pardue. And here we go. Pretty cool knife for $30. See if we can get the blade steel in there. It is AUS 8A. Getting a lot of glare from the lights. Sorry about that. Utilitac II on the blade, double thumb stud, pocket clip, can be mounted all four sides. It's a pretty good size knife overall in size. So let's take a look at see what we're dealing with. And overall about just a little under 8 inches. Blade is just about 3 1/4 of blade edge, 3 1/2 if you want to consider the whole knife itself. It is a liner lock. Lockup is pretty good. See if we can get a good shot of that. Maybe, maybe not. It is about 40 to 50%, so it's a pretty solid lockup. Alignment is perfect. I've been carrying it for about a week. Lots of deployments. Pretty snappy for washers. Not super drop shotty or anything like that, but it has a really good action. Also, it's a very wide or tall knife, however you want to look at it. So just a little over 1 inch about the middle of the blade. Almost 1.5 inches back by the thumb studs. And the handle, well, in its thinnest part is 1 inch. The thickest part, again, almost 1 inch. Yeah, about 1.5 inches. So not a small knife by any stretch of the imagination. But pretty handy, pretty rugged. Let's get a quick little thickness of the blade. 114 thousandths. And just under 3 millimeters. Let's give her a good weight here. See what we're dealing with. So just under 5 ounces. So yeah, not a small knife by any stretch of the imagination, but pretty handy and pretty good for $30. Pretty smooth for the most part action. Pretty good ruggedness overall. Pretty grippy. Feels pretty good in the hands. No extreme angles or anything like that you have to particularly worry about. It's all pretty basic ergos that you'd find in a lot of knives. The jimping here is, it's usable. It's not excessive or aggressive, but it's enough you can feel it. So if you're really working the knife, you're going to feel it, and it's going to give you a little bit of traction. These grooves on the sides, they help with traction. I wouldn't say they go too far as helping with a lot of traction or anything like that. Pocket clip is decent, not exactly super deep carry. You're looking at about hanging out of the pocket about right there. But it's a pretty good clip overall. Doesn't feel too hot spotty for me. But other than that, it's a pretty basic knife. Again, it's $28.95 through Blade HQ. They're all over the place. Amazon has them. I don't remember what they had them listed at. Knife Center, I do believe, had it discontinued. So I don't know if they're going to be discontinuing this knife in the future or not. But something to keep an eye on. If you're interested in this knife, probably want to snag it pretty quick. But there you go, guys. That's it for today. We'll catch you next time. Have a great day.